Hello everyone, welcome to Chocoblob, and in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to draw those attractive, smexy siren eyes. Let's get started. Usually you see these types of eyes on those Pinterest anime boys that make you drool all over your phone. Yes, we are going to make those eyes today. The video about my brushes will be linked below, so go check that out. You're going to start off by drawing a tilted rectangular shape. I suck at math, so I don't know the geometrical name of this shape. Please don't ask that on comment. But anyways, I'm going to now join the top two corners of the square into such a boat/bowl type of shape. This is going to be our guideline. Erase the excessive lines and you will be leaving with the only half circular shape. Now our basic geometrical shape is done. Now I am going to add the inner corners, outer corners and lower lash line of the eyes. To get that aura, we need a really deep upper lash line and really long or fluffy lashes. These are going to get into the mood, How you want to shape your eyes are totally up to you, but this is just how I like to do it. After that, I'm adding that line that depicts the double eyelid. If your character is monolid, please leave that line out. Also, we need to add very thick, eyebrows. Very thick eyebrows to give him more of a manly, more adult, mature vibes. Use the same process to draw the another eye. You can see that I haven't drawn the pupils yet. So the pupils are going to be half visible, more like a vampire or an angry mystical animal. This is also a big contribution to make our eyes look very hot and attractive or very confident. Drawing the eyeball in large shape can give you very childish, innocent type of vibe, but on today's video we are not going for that, so I am skipping that part and making the eyeball really smaller in ratio. Adding a tiny dot in the middle. Moving on into the coloring portion, I will first paint the skin color. Taking a very basic flesh color, I painted the skin or the background, and let's add a little bit of shadows around the eyes so the eyes looks more like sitting on the layer of your skin. For coloring the eyes, I'm choosing a shade slightly darker than the actual skin tone. This will help to enhance the depth and add dimension to your drawing. Adding a bit of eye makeup. For that, I've chosen a reddish brown shade and I'm applying as the eyeshadow on both upper and lower lash line. Coloring the actual insides of the eyes, I am choosing a very pale yellowish grey color. I told you guys a million times before on my other videos as well, the inside of your eyes are not purely white, it is more of a shades of grey. Now I am using a darker shades of grey to act or to draw the shadow of upper lash line on the eyes. choosing a dark gray tone for the color of the eyes. You can literally choose any color or any eye shade, whatever you like. I prefer choosing a lighter tone to give him more of a vampire look, and using a very darker tones of the same color to add shadows of the inside of his eyes. Add the highlight of very lighter shades, or you can even use dots of white like so. Add the details however you like. Here I colored the lashes and made the eyebrows a little bit thicker, but that totally depends upon you. We are almost at the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and let your thoughts know in the comments below. Also subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye and have a great day or great night.